Let's craft together a natural remedy, blending flowers and herbs in a simple yet powerful formula to banish negativity and interference from our bodies, restoring vitality. Let's step into a world of wellness restored with natural healing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. My name is Mariana. I am a natural healer, a herbologist, and a therapist. People think that natural therapies and when you work with herbs and plants and more natural ingredients that it's a free-for-all. There is no rule, you just grab a few flowers and that's all there is to it. This is actually science. This is ancient science. It's actually very advanced technology, so there is a protocol to follow. This formula will actually work on the causes of your symptoms. Because remember, every symptom and every disease is actually a message. And if we translate the message, then the messenger doesn't have to keep knocking on our door. Today, for this formula, I'm using one of these protocols that is based on magic herbology from the Celtic tradition, very old and ancient and wise tradition. But don't get too caught up on the magical aspect of it. You can think of it as a natural recipe, a natural remedy. It's vibrational medicine. I love this concept. Medicine that works on your vibration. There we are using ingredients and natural elements to align and balance energy. We are using the energy of plants to balance the energy of the human being. So this is a natural formula combining 3 ingredients, and it works really well for both men and women, although it works differently for each one. So for women, this formula will help to remove impurity, vibrational impurity from our uterus. Our pelvic region has a lot of receptors, energy receptors. And if you want to know more about that and how we collect energy in our day-to-day lives, you should check my other video linked in the description below. For men, this formula will help to connect power and vitality. A very common symptom these days is that men get blocked in a certain level of their vitality and all of their energy moves up to the head, to the 6th chakra. Vitality is blocked, and the reason why it is blocked is because there is somatic memory associated with war. It's like a channel of energy that connects 1st, 2nd, and 3rd chakras, but it is blocked. It's like it's haunted with ghosts from the past, from our collective memory as human beings. So if you think about human history, men had to access a lot of vitality and then go to war and experience very traumatic situations. So we have a traumatized memory in our cell, and subconsciously many men don't have access to that vitality today because it's intertwined with violence and aggression and memories of war. So this formula will act on that energy so that the energy starts flowing and that channel starts healing. So for this recipe, we have 3 basic ingredients, 3 basic elements, and each of these elements is going to work in a certain frequency, and it's like we have 3 departments. But the idea here is to make it very simple and very cheap and very easy to make. So let's get to work. To start the formula, make sure that your hands are clean, make sure that you have the proper conditions. That means that we can't have electromagnetic waves anywhere nearby. You have to secure the perimeter. At the same time, create this safe place inside of yourself, inside of your mind. Just breathe and do it as a ritual. Our first layer in this formula is eucalyptus. Eucalyptus will work for cleansing, removing energy, dirt, and impurities, and reorganizing memories. There is a reason why eucalyptus is such a common ingredient in the cleaning products, because it actually has the superpower of cleaning and cleansing. It will work on your kidneys and reproductive system and remove and cleanse and balance your sexual energy. It actually reorganizes somatic memories, traumatic memories, helping to heal them. Our second layer in this formula is hibiscus. Hibiscus will work on your second chakra. It will nourish and restore vitality. It will bring vibrant and powerful energy to replace the vibrational impurities that eucalyptus removes. It balances and regulates libido. It brings a new reference of a balanced form of pleasure in the body that is connected to love and joy and simple things. So it actually helps to heal addiction. It kind of liberates the need for the high, the need for the chemical high on drugs and television and video game and sex and too much food and too much shopping. It gradually helps to create an internal path for having fun with the simple things, creates a new reference for a more joyful and natural state of life. Our third and last layer in this formula is the super powerful jasmine. Jasmine will seal and protect, keep the cleansing, keep the vitality in, and also create a shield of protection. Because we're actually very vulnerable in these first three chakras. That's where most of our interaction and the energy exchange with the outside world and other people happens. Jasmine is an amazing purifier and protector, completely connected to very superior realms, to the divine realm. Not only does it purify our own inner stuff, our negative thoughts, our own dense issues, but it also protects from spiritual attacks and more dense energies from the outside world. It protects us spiritually, creating a shield in our aura. So we need a recipient, a simple recipient. I'm using here my witchy cauldron, my witchy pot. It's made of ceramic. I don't like to use measuring devices. I use my hands as measuring devices. We're going to take our first layer, that is eucalyptus. I'm going for 3 handfuls of eucalyptus. We're going to make enough formula for 7 days. 3 handfuls of hibiscus. And to seal the work, 3 handfuls of jasmine. It's really nice if you get in touch with the flowers and herbs with your hands, start connecting with them. Now I'm going to work on it a little bit, use my hands to crack it a little bit. Turn it into smaller pieces. So crafting a herbal remedy should never be done in a hurry. It's like an art. And as you turn the big pieces into small pieces, you should really connect to good things. You can sing. You can really take your time and enjoy it, clear your mind, or just breathe and be silent. And there's really a connection that starts happening. There's already the perfume of the flowers. There's already a different vibration. I can feel the pot already warmed up through the energy. They are as one now. They are one single frequency, one single vibration. Thank the herbs for existing and then vibrate life into them. Vibrate light into them with all your intent. The easiest way, although there are many protocols to do this, The easiest way is to just visualize a purple flame burning inside the pot, inside the recipient. We should store the blend in a separate clean recipient where you can store it away because we need it for several days. We're going to take, with clean, very clean hands, a bit of the herbs, just a bit, and you put it in the strainer, and now you add water for the whole cup. It's cold water. So after 3 to 5 minutes, all we have to do is remove the strainer. So what we have now is not tea. It is the vibration of the blend, the energy of all those plants together that was transferred to the water. A powerful elixir with all that vitality and all that healing. You can just add the water to a spray bottle, and each bottle of the spray should be made with at least half a cup of the cold infusion. You are going to spray it all over your body and take a few moments to thank these herbs for helping you and healing you before you throw them away. It's best if you can throw them in your garden, give them back to earth. I hope this was helpful for you. If you enjoy this kind of talk, this kind of information, please remember to subscribe to the channel to support the work. Like this video, share this video. This is the channel where I bring ancient wisdom and natural healing techniques into our day-to-day lives through simple methods that you can apply easily to work on the self-management of your health, to reconnect with your body, with your natural cycles, and understand the messages nature and our bodies are constantly trying to give us. If you actually try this, I would love to know more about your experiences, your impressions on it. May God and the Goddess restore our health and bless us all, and I'll see you in my next video.